It's the weekend. Finally, man. Whew, we could all catch a break. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm Tom Trading. Thanks for tuning in today. It's going to be a short one. I'll just go ahead and go over what's been going on with AMC as far as my opinions, my thoughts on where the price is going to be. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a serious channel. I'm just here to talk about AMC. This is just everybody just relax. We're going to have a good time. The weekend is here. It's Friday. Let's watch the video. Let's leave a like. Let's leave a comment. Let's subscribe to the channel. Let's all just give each other some love and you know, we're all apes here. We're all friendlies. We're all family. This is an Olive Garden, but it might as well be because when you're here, you're family. I hope I don't get sued for that. Anyways, let's go ahead and go over to the chart real quick. Just to show you guys pretty much what I've been talking about all week. I know you guys are tired of me talking about, oh my God, it's following the trend, 14. But it is. Like, honestly, if we look over here at the Weibo chart, the 1 hour level here, 1 hour chart, pretty much mimicking what's been going on since March. The first time I hit 14. And, you know, it wouldn't surprise me if it kept going back down into the lower single digits, even or the lower double digits, or even the high single digits. So just look forward to, or look, not forward to, but just pay attention to what goes on going into next week. Because if that does end up happening, believe me, I'm going to go all in and buy all my shares back at a huge discount if it goes back down into this lower level. But does that affect the squeeze? I don't think so. We shouldn't have to panic. Obviously, if we keep looking at the chart, it hasn't dipped down anywhere below 9, or I mean, it's been going down to 8, but it's a very high 8, and then it just kind of rebounds. People buy back, and we still, start trending, or at least consolidating between 9 and 11. But the other scenario too, going into next week, which, you know, for some of you guys who are holding AMC, if you guys are all impatient, and just want this baby to rip going into next week, that's a huge possibility too. You know, so we have those two scenarios where we could see the chart, or at least AMC, drop back into the lower double digits, or we could see this cup and the handle, we could see it retesting as early as next week, going back into 14. That's just my prediction. It wouldn't surprise me either way if it goes up or down. Obviously I want it to go down. I'm just kind of wanted to buy in my shares, but if it doesn't, and we start to see it rip back up, retesting 14 as soon as next week, then great. We'll start seeing it rip. We'll start seeing that squeeze, and then it'll go for 16, 20, come back down, and then retest, 20 again, and then shoot to 40, 100, 1,000, and, fingers crossed, knocking on wood, and, go from there. We could all buy our Lamborghinis, and the prophecy is fulfilled. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. Nope, don't want that one. AMC Friday price action. That was our AMC Friday price action. Not a lot going on. Like I said, it started off at 250. I think it almost reached 13 today. I was kind of, pooping my pants because I'm like, dang, I missed out on there, right? I wanted to buy in at like at least 10, 11, but I started to see it creep up, going back into 13. Now, like I said, that's great for everybody who's been holding. I, being my greedy self, I kind of just, being like, oh my gosh, please don't pass that $13 level, because then, whatever. I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, we're all in it together. Like I said, not everybody has like a bunch of cash lying around. We can't all afford to buy at the peaks. If you can, great. If you can't, then you're kind of stuck in my situation where you're just hoping it to dip a little bit and then be greedy, buy in, and then be like, okay, fine, rip now, right? And I know I can't be the only one, so don't hate me for saying that. I'm just pretty much just thinking what you guys are thinking at this point. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for me. Last but not least, let's go ahead and just talk about one other thing. Let's talk about, let's see if I could do this thing right. Nope, it's not what I want. Nope, it's not what I want either. Wanda Group. I know a lot of people have heard about this group called Wanda, not WandaVision, not Wanda from The Fairly Odd Parents, but Wanda, the group from China, the conglomerate that's been holding a pretty much the majority share of AMC since 2012. Now, they've been selling off since last year. They are in debt too. They have their own responsibilities, their own financial, responsibilities, basically. So they kind of need to cash in on what's been pretty much the Reddit frenzy. Us being the retail investors hoping to be able to squeeze. So anytime, they get the opportunity to sell those shares at a very high price or at the highest price they believe it could possibly get, they have an obligation to pay their debts, right? So they're not going to kind of wait for the squeeze to happen. No, they're going to wait till, the price of AMC goes to a very comfortable price where they feel like, okay, we're going to sell our shares, which they did. They ended up selling almost $500 million this week, selling the rest, almost completely the rest of their shares. They only now have 10,000 shares left of AMC, considering they were the majority hold of AMC for like nine years. Like that's something that says something, right? Like they have their own issues going on, but that's good for us because we no longer have to worry about whether or not Wanda's going to keep selling or whether it's going to bring the stock down because they already sold most of their shares. It's down to 0.0002%. And if we head over to the interwebs, over here to the Hollywood Reporter, it says right here, Chinese conglomerate Wanda Group has sold off essentially its entire stake in AMC theaters. On Friday, AMC disclosed that Wanda sold all but 10,000 shares in the past week, netting $426 million. So that's nuts. And if we go over to FinTel, as of today, 5/21/2021, Wanda American Entertainment has current shares of AMC 10,000. Compared to how many, of these other companies have, like Vanguard and BlackRock, they have almost 8 million, and BlackRock almost having 6 million. That says something, right? So they're doing their own thing. We no longer have to worry about Wanda Group, which is great because, we're already dealing with enough with the hedgies. We're already dealing enough with the paper hands. And so we just want to be laser focused. The easier the path, the easier for us to head to that point, the level of squeezing this baby. And then, we could all buy our moms and dads Lamborghinis or whatever the heck we plan on doing with the money. I know what I'm doing with it. And I'm not going to buy a Lamborghini, to be honest. I'm just going to reinvest it. But yeah, that's good news for everybody. And, what better way to end the weekend with good news? Bye-bye, Wanda. Don't have to worry about him anymore. That's scene left for the rearview mirror. Just look at the rearview mirror. Just drive forward. Dang, I think that my wife was yawning over there. But anyways, man, that was hilarious. I can't believe she made it in the cut. Or at least me talking about her. Be quiet over there. No, I'm just kidding. I love her. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You guys enjoy the rest of the weekend. I know I will. I'll see you next Monday. This has been Tom Trading. If you guys enjoy this content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you guys have any questions or just want to talk to me or talk amongst yourselves. Nothing but love for you guys. Peace out. I'll see you Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye.